Welcome to Perfect Word Media. My name is J. Monroe Johnson. And we still stand with Roger Coit Chappell, aka Spiritual Grandpa, Brother Chappell, in spirit now, that they unlawfully stressed him to death in Marshall County in a bloody land theft scheme by the Marshall County Courthouse and the Albertville City Hall, along with a couple of bankers, and that is Vice President of Cadence Bank, Gunnersville, Margaret Lacey, who lost her job. She only had a high school diploma. Why would they have her be the vice president of a $50 billion regional bank's branch office to save money? Straight from Memphis, Tennessee High School to Meth Mountain, located in northeast Alabama, Marshall County. A county known for political corruption. Years ago, it was moonshine and prostitution, and today it's methamphetamine, and we'll call it unlawful death. It's actually a word that starts with M, but I do not want to alarm you any more than this pure truth testimony warrants. We ask that you contact the FBI and reference this YouTube channel and request equal justice under law. Request that legitimacy in our American judicial system be restored. Folks, you got the government stressing to death elderly, disabled, widowed, godly, tax-paying civilians for cash, cars, gold, and bloody land. Owning land could cost you your life in Marshall County, as the blood judges, along with the sheriff and the mafioso mayor and their accomplices, the bankers, are very predacious. What's predacious? Predatory. They criminally surveil people, Nazi Germany style. They stalk people. They have access to people's income tax records, real estate records, banking records, business records, and they move in for the kill. How do they do it? Sabotage. To profit from the destruction. You know, just destroy everything and take the land. We still stand with Roger Coit Chappell, also known as Brother Chappell, now in spirit. A civil rights martyr, unlawfully killed August 31st, 2022 in Marshall County, Alabama, USA, over bloody land. And over revenge by Marshall County Courthouse for being stopped in the Supreme Court of Alabama in case number 1051726, where the judges and the attorneys, very corrupt judges and very corrupt attorneys, and a tampered jury was exposed extorting an American white female for $5 million cash. Folks, the judges were caught robbing a 100% owned female finance company. They returned to the scene of the crime 7 years later from the year 2011, when the Supreme Court released their scathing, unanimous Supreme Court rebuke in case number 1051726, Federal Credit Inc. versus Greg Fuller. Google it. It's online. They returned, the judges returned, the corrupt judges returned to the scene of the crime, the Monroe compound of Albertville, Alabama, USA. Why? To finish Eugenia, their theft target, off by stealing her land. A multi-million-dollar deadly land theft scheme that has backfired on Marshall County and Albertville City. I close with this statement: you don't mess with a World War II.